The thing we are talking about is the virus, and if you watch this video till very end, by the will of God, you will be equipped enough to fight and prevent this monster COVID-19. A virus is a non-living thing, and as long as it's outside the living body, it is easy to kill or remove off your body or off of your clothes. But once it enters into your body, it becomes alive and starts reproducing. The main and 99% vulnerable areas of your body are your eyes, nose, mouth, and it goes mostly inside through inhalation, ingestion, or touching eyes, also through open wounds or by your ears, but in a very rare case. So make sure to clean and properly cover your wounds. Making my words as simple as possible, when corona gets inside of you, it uses its spikes, the corona, to get inside the cell more easily than the other viruses. So this is how the structure of coronavirus looks like. It is not a sure thing that it can only catch you if you meet an infected person, but also it could be stuck on the things that you buy, or it may be present in the air, or maybe in the bus and the cab you are sitting in. So make sure to follow the instructions that I am going to give you in a bit. So here you can see the structures. See the red outline and the red boundary of the circle. That is the main body of the virus. That is made up of lipid bilayer, and lipid means fat. So killing that fat equals to killing that virus. Makes sense, right? Look at this. That is how the virus is wrapped inside the lipid. And we are going to kill this lipid by using this simple step. Here the orange ring is that lipid ring, and the mastic in blue and red coming towards it is not a mastic, it's the leather. The leather, the foam that any harsh detergent or a good soap can produce. There is no time limit like 20 seconds or 1 minute or whatever. It's the thing that matters is the amount of leather the detergent is producing. If your soap or detergent is producing a lot of leather, a lot of foam, that is very good to go, because the hydrophobic end of the foam molecule attaches to the lipid. That's the same thing happens with your dishes or with your clothes or with your hands when they are greased. So it also attaches to the lipid of the virus, and the intermolecular forces move it apart, and the surrounding wall of the virus breaks down, all the material comes out, and your virus dies. So the thing is, try different detergents, laundry cleaners, whatever, try it on your hand and make sure it leaves your skin dry. Dryness means no oil. So no oil means no fat, and no fat means no virus, right? Okay, so the thing is, not the sanitizers, not the soaps, not the 20 seconds, no whatever, just use harsh detergent. It is awkward to say, but harsh leathering detergents are useful here. These are useful here. Wash your surfaces, wash your dishes, wash your walls, wash your couches, your doors, your knobs, wash your hands, everything with these harsh leathering detergents. Only the foam and the leather is killing the virus. The other thing that I'm going to say is the pH that the virus needs to reproduce. Once it enters inside the cell, it needs a specific pH to start reproducing. Without that pH, there is no reproduction. So lemon, bicarbonated soda, and garlics, all the things that are basic in nature mostly alkalizes our body, changes the pH. Also, lemon is most important because it changes the immune system. It improves the immune system. It is the natural tendency of our body to fight against foreign entities. It produces antibodies. So lemon gives vitamin C. A rich source of vitamin C is lemon, and it gives a boost of immune system that is very essential. Also, the garlic does the same thing. It alkalizes our body. The garlic soup and the soda water and the lemon water. I'll make sure to link all the videos down below. Make sure to check them out to see in detail. Also, I'm showing a chart that displays a lot of foods that are good for you and that are bad for you, so don't use them so often. Also, natural immunity, as I said earlier, that lemon boosts your immunity. The immune system is a thing that our creator has bestowed us with, and this thing fights against all the diseases, all the infections, everything. So make sure to eat the things that boost up your immune system, power it up. And psychologically, willpower is the immune system. Willpower is the thing that you want to live forever, and the person who wants to live forever lives as long as possible. And the most important, last but not the least thing, is gratitude. Feel grateful. Feel grateful for the things that your creator has bestowed you with. Believe it or not, we do not be grateful. Gratitude is the best thing to achieve the happiness and forgiveness of our creator. Be safe, stay inside. May God bless you. For living